Alright guys, I didn't get to like talk to you guys after I picked up the costume. Guys, like I am so tired. I legit want to sleep and I am going out tonight. Tonight is Jouvert. I really wanted a Jouvert. I do Jouvert every year, so I'm hoping I get a ticket. So I'm awaiting a ticket. I need to actually call out the person and see if I'm gonna get the ticket, because Jouvert is just like a must, you know. It's one of those events. Anyways, costume is secured and all of that. Sorry guys, so I am not gonna show you guys the costume tonight. Tomorrow though, I'll show you guys that. Yeah, but yeah, tonight is Jouvert and we're gonna have fun. Let me tell you guys something. It is 5:12 in the afternoon. I'm in traffic heading home and I have not ate anything from morning. Literally, like I am starving. I'm starving. So hold on. But anyways, I'll link you guys later. Alright guys, so it's time to head out for Jouvert. Now I got 2 tickets, so I'm going to Bacchanal Jouvert first and then I'm going to Yadmas Jouvert. I'm super tired right now, so I won't be able to show you guys a costume until tomorrow. I also need to do a video for TikTok as well and my Instagram, so we're just gonna keep moving. I posted some pictures today. I hope you guys are watching. I hope you guys follow me on Instagram and also follow me on TikTok. I have so much videos and pictures and stuff to edit and post, but the girl don't have no time. Anyways, I'm heading out to Jouvert and this is a fit. I'll see you guys at Jouvert. Murphy, can you put it in the window for me, please? No, this. Oh, wait there. Yeah, oh.
In 600 meters, turn right onto Marsco Road.
Alright guys, so I'm leaving the first Jouvert event. I did not get a lot of paint because I'm heading to another Jouvert event. So I figured, why am I gonna get fully paint up for this first event and I'm gonna go to a second run, you know? So I was like, you know what, let me not get paint up. My phone is lean. Yeah, so I was like, let me not get paint up and just whatever. But it was a good event. So this one that I'm just leaving is Bacchanal Jouvert, right? And I'm heading now to Yadmas Jouvert. So that is the vibe for Saturday morning. It is 4:17 a.m. in the morning, guys. Like literally 4 a.m. in the morning. 4:17 to be exact. So I will link you guys when I'm there. My battery is at 60% and I did not bring my charger.
Turn right onto Marsco Road.
Don't have a car charger yet, plus I can't be bothered. Anyways, later guys.
Shake your mama. Oh my gosh! Go! Attention! Yeah, she said, hey, body's on my leg, body's on my right. Lady on the wall, so beautiful. Elle compte par les femmes. Ok, you know. On va danser sur les 44 fois. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Richie, Mike, check me. Sorry. Thank
So, breakfast. I can't show you guys. I can't show you guys. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys the breakfast. So we got spoiled dumpling. We had fried dumpling, boiled yam, pumpkin rundown.
You want a liver as well? You want a vegetable and sweet halal sandwich?
Alright guys, so we got home from Jouvert, we slept. I got 2.5 hours of rest. That rest was so good. It was well needed. Now it's moving on to after 12 in the afternoon now, and I'm going to a breakfast party. It's called Sunnation. Very, very expensive event, to say the least. It is, I'll put the price on the screen and tell y'all how much for this event. Craziness. We did get a free pass, so super happy about that. And yeah, I want to wet my hair. Listen, this hair has been through so much. Like this hair, oh my god, I love it so much. I love this quality here. It could be a bit like better, but it's really, really, you know, it's holding on. Anyways, we're gonna get dressed, and when we get dressed, I'm gonna show you, you know, the routine, show you the fit, and then we're gonna be outside. Guys, here we go. Here is the dress. This dress is from, I think it's from Shein. It's either Shein or AliExpress, I don't remember. Very beautiful red dress. This is like my second time wearing red dress for the season, but I'm running late. It's moving on to 1 o'clock and the party ends around 3:30. So yeah, pretty cute dress. All right, later guys.
Nobody told you this before, but you outshine the sun. The type that I've been looking for. I've seen you inside my dreams.
Guys, so I am home from the breakfast party event. I really wanted to show you guys my goodie bag that I got from Yardmas, and also show you because I went and picked up my costume the other day, which you guys know, but I wasn't able to like unbox it. So first up, we have this huge cute box. This is what the costume comes in, and this is really nice, guys. This is So cute. So cute. So my costume comes in this. Now I already did a video for TikTok, so I took out all the stuff that I received in my goodie bag. But let me show you what the items, what bag it came into. So the items came into this bag. Tell me if this isn't like given. This is so cute. This is a cute, nice Kerrian travel size bag. Like I love it. The color green too. I chose this color. They had pink, white, brown, black. Excuse me, and this color as well. I'm like, I want a new color. I want something different. So I took the lime green, and it's just chef's kiss. It is very nice. Very cute, guys. So from what I've like seen I've watched a lot of people videos, and apparently I think I'm missing some items out of my goodie bag. But you know what? I don't care. Excuse me. So the first thing I have is this cute cup. No. Guys, this cup is so nice. Like, look at it. This cup is so cute. You can literally wear it. And as a matter of fact, this fits my costume. You guys are gonna see it. You guys are gonna see my costume. Anyways, yeah. So, yeah. This, guys, is really cute. Very, very nice. Look at the details, the gold, the nude. It is so perfect. The next thing that comes in the goodie bag is a rag. Then we got a mirror, and with the mirror it has a lighting in it. So let me just pull it and show you. Oh my god, it's not working. How do I pull it? Guys, it's not okay. So great. So comes with lighting. Cute, right? I love it. Cute. And it changes. The next thing comes with this is like you can put it on your phone. I got a Worthy Park Tropical Fusion Rum Mix. I got a spice bun. I got this vanilla Nescafe coffee thing. I got one Legend Beer. I got one cranberry juice. I got a Uber. So they have like a soca cruise that keeps every year. So they gave us a voucher for that. I have 20% off a Pilates class. They gave me one sticker, and I'm gonna put this sticker on my butt cheek. I got a restaurant discount coupon voucher, and we got some of these stuff to put on Crocs. What else? I got this cute hairpin, and it's branded that says Yard Mask. And I got a shower soap. And last but not least, I have the masquerade guide. In this guide, it basically tells you, where you're starting, what time the road march starts in the morning, what time is lunch. It's like a whole guide of what's gonna happen for the day, and also the following day, which would be a Monday, and they have an after party. So this is how it comes. And I got this rum cake too. So basically that's all I got. So I'm missing a fanny pack. I did not receive a fanny pack and another item, but you know what? I don't care. As long as my costume is so gorgeous, and I can't wait to show you guys tomorrow. But right now I'm going to be taking a nap, and then after my nap I am gonna head out because I am going to another event. I don't think I'm gonna video that, but I will see you guys definitely tomorrow when we're getting ready for the road march. By the way, I bought a sneakers. Let me show you guys. Yeah, so basically I wanted a new sneakers for the road, and I do not recommend this. If you're not wanting to wear any old sandals, old sneakers that you have, or something that's you have been wearing for a while, and you want to like wear a brand new sneakers on the road, I implore you to start wearing that days in advance or even a week in advance, so your feet can be comfortable in it, and you know, your body and feet adjust to it. You know, me purchasing a sneakers the night before an event is crazy, but when I tried it on, it fits a little big, and I was like, yeah, this will work. But like how I'm going out tonight, I'm definitely going to be wearing it. So I went to Payless since night after I left the party, and I bought these sneakers. Guys, it is so cute. Look at it. It is gorgeous. I paid $6,795 for it. It's very gorgeous. So it will definitely go well with my costume, the nude part of it. It's very nice. So I'm gonna wear this tonight. But I hope you guys are enjoying this crazy vlog. Like I said, I'm gonna just take a quick nap, get up, eat, shower, and then head out for the road. I have so many videos to edit, and I know if you guys see the videos then coming in one behind the other, then you know why. I just need to clear out my phone, clear out my drafts, and all of that. But Carnival in Jamaica 2026 is coming to an end. It's pretty close, and I'm low-key kind of happy because I've been going on for 2 weeks now straight, like almost every night. This week alone, I've went out and I've been like at least 2 parties per day. So do the math. Alright guys, later. Good morning guys, happy Carnival Sunday. It's April 12th and we're doing our makeup, we're getting ready, and we're rushing. We don't have time to speak, so I'll see you guys once I'm ready. I can't wait to go to for too long. It's in my soul. The road is a miracle.
Put some butter so she figure it after we figure it out.
Where are you?
I your cousin.
Everybody turn the lights on your phone on. Everybody turn the lights on your phone on. Everybody turn the... Every light! Every light! Every light! If you lost someone, put on your light. If you're having a good time, put on your light. If you're coming to Jamaica, put on